Hello, good evening friend. Now let us see question number 10 of the metallurgy, and very easy question they have given. What is the mean by terms chromatography? So dear student, already we have studied in the some question number 5 or 6 we have already studied there. They asked that is zone refining and chromatography technique. Here again they ask that is term what is mean by term the chromatography. Dear student, let us read out the slides. Chromatography is the collective term used for a family of laboratory techniques for the separation of mixture. What is student they are saying? Chromatography is the collective term used for the family of laboratory technique for the separation of mixture. The terms derive from the Greek word student, that is chroma means color and graphene means to write. Chromatographic technique are based on the principle that different component adsorb differently on the adsorbent. There are several chromatographic techniques are there, such as the paper chromatography, column chromatography, gas chromatography, etc. Dear student, for better understanding, try to come on the board student. Okay. So here you see student, I already drawn the diagram student. So what they are student, 3 columns are there. You can see that is column, this column, if you talk about the column number 1, and this is column number 2. Okay, column number 2, and again one more column is there student, that is column number 3 is also there student. So what we can do student, that is column 2 and this is the column number 3. So what we have to understand student in this case. Okay, so in first case what we are taking student, we are putting the one coloring compound student. This is we are putting the one coloring compound we are putting in the column 1. In this coloring compound, what is that component A plus B is there. This coloring compound is made up of 2 component student, component A and component B. This coloring compound is made up of component A and component B. So component, when you are talking about the component A student, okay, so that is what one component is, component, suppose component, if you are talking about component, so here is the component A is more adsorbent, component is having more power to adsorb, so component more adsorb, so it's came down student, and component B is less adsorb, so it is little up is there. So when you are opening this student, this is the tab is there. So what is happening, all the component A is coming into outside in the receiver. So in this way you are able to get separate the component A student, and at the same time this all is moving downside student, this component all are moving, so B component will be the down also, and which can be taken out in the different container. So what is the principle student? Principle they are saying different component, here I am writing the principle student, different component, okay, different components, what student, different component adsorb what student, different component adsorb differently, okay, different component adsorb differently, okay, on where student, on adsorbent. So student, these are component is there, and this is the adsorbent, that you can understand student, adsorbent is non-mobile phase student, that is stationary phase made up of either you add that is silica gel, this is the, you can add the silica gel, or you can use that is the charcoal also, you can use student charcoal, okay, or you can use the alumina Al2O3 also. So these, firstly you are making the 2 phase student, first one is the stationary phase and another is the mobile phase. So color is the mobile phase, it is the getting adsorb, coming down, and stationary phase is as it is. So chromatography is technique in which, that is if the 2 different components are there in the color or in the compound, so their adsorption power will be different student. So the component 1 which is having more adsorption power, that will come down, the component which is having the less adsorption power, it will be the up. So slowly it will get absorbed more and it will come down student, okay. So when it will come down, so you can, with the help of the tab, you will get separate different component student. Thank you so much for watching friend.